So then you can also look at something like gold. Gold tends to perform well when we see a falling US dollar and falling yields, and we're starting to see yields come back, especially on the longer term side of things. Yields are coming back. So I think gold is definitely something you look at there. You got the simple gold ETF, GOLD, which it doesn't have a currency hedge, so might hit you a little bit hard if the Australian dollar keeps on going up. But Australian miners are looking at very large margins at these prices, despite seeing some input costs come along. So names like Evolution Mining and Northern Star are probably my top two picks in the bigger producers. And then sort of a more riskier growth specking name in Gold Road Resources, which is starting to ramp up production, only trading around 8 times forward earnings at the moment, and looks good from here as well.
On gold, just very quickly as well, is the Aussie dollar gold price still sort of diverging from where a lot of these stocks are trading in terms of the valuations, Aussie gold stocks?
Yeah, well, especially with the Australian dollar that's fallen, 10% over the last few weeks. We've seen gold come down, but it's that hedge, the Australian dollar hedge, has kept things quite divergent still, and Australian gold stocks have probably been hit harder than what we've seen the gold price in Australian dollars has been over the last few weeks. So they're continuing to look cheap on the charts. They've still got a little bit of work to do, but I'm happy to dip the toe down here on the premise that we're going to see a lower US dollar and lower yields from here.